Let me give you a little room tour to see what's inside. Okay, when you join the academy, you will land on the orientation channel and you will have to accept our terms of services that everything in this group is of course non-financial advice. And then of course you see the other channels, and once you signed up via one of our links, and that is one of the core benefits of our group and community here, we will not charge anybody anything. The only requirement is you sign up via one of our links, which costs you nothing and even gives you on some platforms some percentages off. For example, if you want to join leverage trading, you can just sign up on one of the exchanges we support. We will also support more in the future, and then you're in. You see everything in our group, beginning here with the general sections where you can just share your winners, share your winning trades, what you did, your experience with the trade, just to show others the way, especially if you are already more experienced. Then you see the general chat, of course, just about general stuff, morning announcements. My friend Computer Brain here leads this channel currently on his own with every morning a fresh report about the market, about Bitcoin, about traditional markets, what the current view is, what the current bias is, that you can start the day with a specific view if any updates occurred. Then we have some other sections, a live stream channel, of course, because we have multiple times a week a live stream where we interact with you, where you can talk directly to us, ask questions, we can look at trades, we will analyze the market. So just a weekly market scan twice a week, and then a specific topic once a week. And of course, every stream will have time for questions and answers, because this adds value back to the community. And then we have a leverage trading section where you can just interact with other traders. We will have our specific leverage trading live streams. As said, within the weekly live streams, we have the 60-day cycle update. I currently lead this section where just every day log on, check the current 60-day cycle view, where we are, where you enter the trade, where you scale it up, where you scale out, take profits, and where the next entries based on the 60-day cycle analysis are, so that you are prepared for the next days and weeks to come. You will get 100% insights where my current levels are to watch and what my current trades are, and then you can share your charts and the student charts here. Everybody, of course, some memes, shares his trades with other traders, what he thinks about the trades, and you can get feedback there. You can get people hop on the same trades with you and just learn and grow together. And then of course professor charts. So our professors in this academy will post dire trading ideas with exact entries and stops and invalidations, and of course also updates to the trades here, which could inspire you to either take the same trade, or you can learn where we place our trades and stops. And then of course we have a scalping section, and then the Colosseum, where it's all about on-chain gem hunting, finding the next runners. We work with AI agent. We have our professor Math in here every day putting out his big report with his various AI agents, finding the next gems, finding the next runners for you guys, daily updates, of course, the on-chain trends, where we go, what is currently trending, what to watch for, and of course also live streams, how to, for example, configure AI agents that find you the best picks, or how to tackle the market on chain. And then to the bottom here in our community, you will find the Trader Bootcamp. This is what I'm currently building, where you find all the custom indicators we use on our weekly streams. You will get access to all of them, and also different classes for crypto foundations, trading basics, trend trading, Elliott wave trading, cycle theory, here cycle analysis. So you will learn how I tackled the 60-day cycle and the overall weekly cycle for Bitcoin and financial markets. Everything will be included in this academy without paying a dollar. The only requirement is you sign up via one of our ref links and get better. Learn and grow with us. We want to grow an awesome, supportive, positive, vibey community here. We love to work with you guys, and we love to grow together. So I hope we created something big and valuable for the people here, and that you enjoy it. And I hope to see you in the group soon.